welcome back to my channel. Well, that was a very bad intro. Anyway, what am I going to do today? I came up with this idea because one of my pet peeves is when I see people litter, literally garbage in the street. So it's something I really hate, and then I thought of this idea. I think I'm gonna call it litter letter or litter lettering. It doesn't have a very deep meaning behind it, but it's just something that I think will be fun to do and a little bit challenging because I'm going to work with some non-traditional materials, which I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not, but I hope it does. So I'm going to pick some garbage outside on the streets, and then it sounds silly when I say it out loud, and then I'm going to use those materials or those garbage to create lettering with messages that reminds people not to litter, because who wants a dirty street, right? So anyway, I'm not sure if this idea or concept is going to work, and if it does, I want you to join in with me to remind people not to litter. So basically that's it. I actually already went out earlier to pick up some garbage while there's still sunlight outside because it is scary to go out in the dark. And I also asked my mom to come with me to be the one to hold the plastic bag where I'm going to put the garbage in, because I need one hand to pick the garbage using the chopsticks, of course, because I don't want to touch garbage from the street. Yeah, I need one hand to pick up the garbage, one hand to hold the camera, and another hand to hold the plastic bag, which I don't have, so I really need someone to help me pick up garbage earlier. So kills 99% of bacteria, so I'm gonna use this. And then now I have them here. Since I'm scared that it's still dirty, I'm going to spray them with alcohol later when I am going to work on them. So far, what I'm going to work with is this used energy drink bottle, this Piatos sour cream, broken alcohol cap. I have no plans of using this, but I just pick it up because it's just on the street, and if a car runs over this, it's gonna pop the tire, so I just decided to bring it with me. Maybe I could use it, I don't know. I also have some gum packaging and some Mentos disinfect. As of now, I have no idea on what to do. What I have right now are the words that I'm going to do. I decided to do the phrase, bawal magtapon ng basura dito, which just means no littering in Filipino. So that is the word or the phrase that I'm going to work on. Right now, I'm scared because I really don't know if I'll be able to do something out of these garbage. So my purpose for doing this challenge, this litter lettering challenge, is I want to show you that you don't need expensive materials to create lettering. You could use garbage, literally trash, to create lettering. Right now it's just an idea. I hope it works, and even if it doesn't work, I am going to take you with me throughout the whole process so that you'll be able to watch me create something nice, or you're just going to watch me fail. I don't know. So I'm so excited for this. I hope you are too. Let's start. So I just finished disinfecting all of these garbage, Now I'm going to just take a closer look at each of them so that I'll get some idea on how I'm going to use these for my lettering. So here's the plan. The words that I'm going to do are bawal magtapon ng basura dito, which means no littering in Filipino. And then for the words bawal and basura, I'm going to make a 3D silver lettering, wherein the 3D part is all black and then the actual letters will be in silver. I will be using the foil of piatos for the silver. And then I think I'm going to use some acrylic paint or a black paint marker for the 3D part. Next is for the word magtapon, which means to throw. I think I'm going to make a ribbon out of it. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the backside of the plastic label of this energy drink. So we'll see later on. And for the last two words, which are nang and dito, I'm going to use these bottle caps from the energy drink and the alcohol. And then they are going to be in this lettering composition layout over here. I'm not going to use the composition ruler anymore because, well, I'm not sure how I'm going to do this yet. And then I think I'm going to layer these words to make it a little bit more interesting so that they're not just flat down. Is a very difficult task that I just did. I actually just finished doing the individual words over here. Individual words. I am going to bring them all together tomorrow because it's almost midnight now. It took me like around 3 hours for this entire process. I feel like my hands are very dirty. Let me disinfect once more. Okay, so I had a lot of challenges because first of all, this foil is too thin. It's curling up, if you could see. So I'll think about how to fix this issue tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's a bit weird, turning garbage, literally garbage, into a lettering work. Oh yeah, so by the time I'm going to edit this video, I'm sure that I have finished doing the final lettering, so roll a clip. And we're back. Okay, so I hope you liked the final work. I put in a lot of work, thought, and I don't know. At this point, I'm very tired and very sleepy. I plan to do more because even though I feel tired after this, after so many failure, go give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any of my vlogs. Yeah, so if you like to do your own version of turning garbage into lettering, feel free to do that. Make sure you just clean the garbage that you're going to use, because I feel like I haven't cleaned it very well, because I can still smell some powder from the chip wrapper. If you make your own lettering version, don't forget to tag me so that I'll be able to see it. And then hashtag lettering. Maybe you want to start that trend as well. I really hope that I've showed you that you don't really need fancy materials to be able to create lettering work. You could use anything at all, even garbage, even the thing that people throw away, even things that you feel like are useless. I just use garbage, so I hope you'll use your creativity to make your own version. At this point, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm very tired, so I'll just end this video right now. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.